am Harish Shahi, Research Head from Daily FX Signal. So today we are covering the pair AUD/USD. Our heading is bears are trying to change the game. So the basic overview says that earlier the pair was doing so well and we have seen an unstoppable rally from 0.5500 to 0.7065 level. The stories of bulls victory can be seen on the daily chart level, which is an incredible move from the bulls campaign. On contrary, from starting of this week, pair remained depressed and seems like bulls have become tired now, trying to hand over the charge to the bears. Well, primary to secondary trend is up, so it's not going to be an easy task for bears to take it downside, because the current downfall may be a correction or profit booking. The time will give the answer that whether we are right or wrong, but the way bears have entered, it seems like some downfall is on the cards. However, we will get further confirmation below 0.6850 level on closing basis. We need a clear hourly closing below this level, because we have seen some kind of bounce from 0.6798 level today morning itself. From technical perspective, we can see on 4 hourly chart, initially we got a shooting star candlestick, which was followed by a steep downfall till 0.6798 level, and a short term rounding top pattern has been formed, which is flashing further downside signals. The MACD is also showing a bearish crossover on the 4 hourly chart, which is a recent development, and RSI also turned down from the overbought territory, which is favoring the bears for the short term on the daily chart, as well as on the 4 hourly and 8 hourly chart. RSI is providing clearly a sell signal. It's an early sell call. We will get further clear confirmation below 0.6850 level. So we also recommend that initiate your sell below this level and add further position below 0.6800 level. An early closing below the 0.6850 level will open the way towards 0.6600 and 0.6400 level at least. Well, the pair is being weighted down by the worsening US-China relationship. Diplomatic tensions between the world's two largest economies shifted the focus of investors and traders. The fresh buying will be seen above 0.7070 level, and that will open the way towards 0.7265 level on weekly chart. The 0.7070 level can be considered as key resistance level for the time being, which is followed by 0.7150 level, whereas on contrary 0.6670 is a major support level followed by 0.6500 level. Now coming on to the trade idea part, we would suggest to the traders and investors that go short below 0.6850 level and add further sell position below 0.6800 level for the target of 0.6600 and 0.6400 with the stop loss of 0.7070 level. Thank you so much.